How to save photos in Google Drive in Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save photos to Google Drive on your Android device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Drive app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, to upload a photo, just look at the bottom right corner and there you will see the plus icon. So simply tap on it. And here, once you have tapped on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on upload option and this will open up your file browser where you can choose what you need to upload. So here to find photos, you can either scroll through the list or just tap on the gallery at the top to directly access your photos. And here, once you're inside the gallery, simply scroll through the photos and select the photo that you want to upload. For this video, I'm going to simply select this one. And here, once you have selected it, just tap on the tick icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the upload option shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, the upload process will start. And now here, as you can see, the upload has been complete. And that's it. That's how you can save photos in Google Drive in Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.